Here we have Teleste's fibre optic passive solutions branded as Enlighten. We have wall outlets, we have wall boxes, and we also have our new multi-purpose enclosures. Our new wall boxes have small, dedicated splice and splitter trays, adapters, suitable in this case for 48 customers. And we also have a range with fibre wall outlets, in particular this model has a splice tray. We've also developed these multi-purpose enclosures for use in the network. These models are IP68 rated, which is achieved by a unique sealing system. This one is a 192 splice version. But what we've developed in particular is a smaller version of this, which is designed for customer drops. We make an 8-way, 16-way and 12-way. What makes this particularly unique is that each customer drop is protected at IP68. Each customer drop has a chamber, and that chamber has 2 seals on it. So if a chamber is accidentally left open, only that one customer drop is affected. And what makes this particularly special is that you can use a standard drop cable with a standard fibre connector, no special cables or connectors needed, and it's easily inserted. The chamber is opened, the connector is inserted into the adapter, the chamber is enclosed, and that entire customer drop is then IP68 sealed. Here we have Teleste's point of connection or POC solutions. These are designed for operators to make network deployments quick and easy. We have solutions that consist of splice and splitter trays. These trays have modules that plug into them, and those modules can take either fusion splices, mechanical splices or splitters. The trays click onto a mounting module. Each module takes 3 trays, and the modules simply click together. That means you can expand and increase the capacity as you need it, just adding the products when you need them. Over on this side, we have the custom presentation part, and these are 8-way and 12-way modules. The 8-ways also have the ability to have a splitter inside, and we're showing here the integrated patch code management. The 12-way unit is hinged to make access easy. Now, the customer drop cables plug into the front of these adapters, and those cables normally arrive via microducts. And here we're showing an example of a microduct management bracket whereby the microducts are pushed through from the bottom and these little retaining teeth hold them firmly in place. So this complete solution can be built by Teleste into a street cabinet, a wall box, or into our unique underground POC enclosure system, making it easier for customers to deploy a solution, saving time in the field, saving money.